There's a kind of product image that really makes people stop scrolling, gets them to click, and most importantly, convinces them to buy. It's called a hero shot, and it used to cost thousands of dollars to make, but that's not the case anymore. Alright team, I'm really stoked today to chat with you about what the hero shot preset in InVideo.io actually is. If you're doing things the so-called traditional way, you need heaps more people involved, creative directors, art directors, photographers, just to turn a simple photo into an ad-ready campaign image. Advertising Studio, which we're going to show you today, only needs you, and that's going to shake up the old way of doing things. Now, as you can see in the top right, we are logged into our account here, and this is the Advertising Studio right here. We are going to click on Advertising Studio. Everyone, so now that we've clicked on the free Advertising Studio, just a reminder, you can go ahead and give it a go for free right now. The link's down in the description. We've got all sorts of labels here, but this is the one we want to try today, the hero shot. It's free, as you can see. We are going to click on that as an example. A perfume. Create that project. As you can see, the hero shot trend is right there. Okay, so what I've done is uploaded our plain image of the perfume that we want to market, but by using the hero shot template, we can actually paste our detailed little brief in there. Campaign hero shot for a unisex woody fragrance. Deep black background. Single dramatic spotlight from above catching the glass stopper. Smoke or mist effect at the base. Cinematic. Luxury. Editorial. Feels like a print ad. So we are happy with that. We are going to select unlimited for the generation and let that run through. Alright, as you can see, this is seriously impressive. Go to the before image right here. That's the before image we can see. And just look at how good this is. What's really cool is, you can use the video here, which is great. You can grab the actual shot there, and the actual image there. But if we just have a look at that, it's got creative direction. It's creating an atmosphere. We've got that lighting coming down from the top. The strong brief was really spot on here. We've got the charcoal, like it would fire, in the background. The focus is really on the front. Alright, so the next one we are going to show you is the 360 product video. So again, we are still in Advertising Studio. We are going to click on 360 product video. We are going to create a new project. We are going to call this one supplements. We are going to show you another example. Alright, so we've got the plain protein powder tub here. Just a basic image. The prompt is, smooth 360 rotating video for a premium protein powder tub. Clean gradient background in charcoal and silver. Slow rotation. Sharp studio lighting catching the label detail. Professional and athletic. So let's go ahead and generate that right now. Okay, so as we can see, it's come through. So let's have a look. Nice. You don't actually have to upload every single image out of the 6, but you do need at least 2 for it to generate that 360 studio video. Alright, so let's go have a look. This is basically the image that we uploaded. Nice and simple, and have a look at how crisp this 360 video is. Yep, it's getting the 360 rotation with the nice clean background. Alright, so the next segment we are going to look at inside Advertising Studio, again, is this one here, catalog photography. So we'll go ahead and start a new project here about jewelry. We'll give you an example with some jewelry. So we create that new project. Okay, so we've got our strong brief here. Lifestyle catalog shot for a minimalist gold chain necklace draped on a smooth cream stone surface. Soft natural light from the left. A small dried flower beside it. Clean, feminine, premium jewelry editorial feel. This is our base image right here, as you can see. Nice and simple. Let's go ahead and generate this. Make sure you've got the trend set there, catalog photography, and that's going to go ahead and do our generation. Alright, let's have a look here. So feminine. It's great that they've actually used an attractive woman in there. Powerful gold chain. You look at that and just think, wow, I just want to buy that. Really nice. Now, what you've got to realize, folks, is that the images and videos we've just shown you here would be extremely expensive to do the traditional way. We are talking thousands of dollars. We are talking multiple people involved. We are talking high levels of stress. And we are talking a long time, maybe a week or more, to actually get that done. Now you can do it yourself, without any special expertise, right at your fingertips for free. And if you want to ramp up your volume, you can just get a prepaid plan going. Upload your product photo and see what the creative director in Advertising Studio can do for you. It's pretty impressive. You've seen the proof. Now, what you need to realize is that a hero shot isn't just a photo. It's a campaign image. It draws out emotion. It makes the client want to buy. It creates identity. It really does carry emotional weight and impact, all in one go. The creative director really does get this distinction. It doesn't just light your product nicely. It gives it a whole identity and brand direction, and in turn, makes a real statement. Composition, negative space, lighting, drama, background. Every decision is made to maximize visual impact, not just product clarity. This is basically the image that's going to end up on your website homepage, your landing page, as well as your out-of-home brief. You need to realize, it has to stop people in their tracks to get them to buy. Now, everyone, a traditional hero shot needs mood boarding, planning, a location, and all sorts of different people to work on it. Do the lighting, the lot. It really is a lot of work, but not anymore. For basic, routine images, brands usually fork out thousands and wait weeks. The creative director on InVideo.io can do this with just one simple image in seconds for your brand, product, or campaign. This basically gets rid of the biggest bottleneck and lets you try out multiple options for a fraction of the cost and way more efficiently. And where does that hero shot really pull its weight? It's going to be on your website homepage. It's the first image your customers see, and it's going to set the whole tone for your brand. Campaign landing pages are also a really important place to have these sorted. Paid social, like Meta or TikTok. They're also spot on for PR and press kits, making everything look professional at that editorial level. Not to mention out-of-home and print briefs, where you need to show a bit of creative direction before you go all in on a full production. Your hero image is the most valuable creative asset your brand has. It's the first thing people see and the last thing they'll forget. Advertising Studio creates it from just one photo, completely free on InVideo right now. The link's in the description. And if you're producing hero shots at scale across multiple projects for clients, their paid plans are made for exactly that and come highly recommended.